you for watching Lango News channel.
Johanna Watkins, no one on the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I raised to bring to the attention of the nation, and specifically government, in regard to the high cancer rates in Kasese, and then the high mortality rates in Kasese. Mr. Speaker, sir, the last 6 months, God forbid, every woman, expecting woman, that walks in a hospital, two things have to happen in Kasese. One, either a child does not get the opportunity to leave, or the mother does not survive the last 6 months. But I also know, Mr. Speaker, that I came to this parliament and I raised it on the floor, Mr. Speaker, in regard to the high cancer rates and then high mortality rates. Mr. Speaker, I found in my pigeonhole a communication from the chief government whip or government chief whip directing the ministers. Mr. Speaker, sir, last week I was in the district and I had the opportunity to interact with our DHO and other doctors, asking them whether they were able to see the ministers. Mr. Speaker, sir, the ministers have never made it to Kasese. Mr. Speaker, sir, when you go to the Cancer Institute, every floor, that institute has 5 floors. Every floor has got somebody or a cancer patient from Kasese. And I was trying to statistically make some observation. Almost 80% of the cancer patients in the Lango Hospital come from Kasese. Mr. Speaker, sir, as a leader at Makerere University, you're familiar with Professor Hannington Oriem. He made a research in terms of that relates to the copper deposits. The copper miners and processors left copper deposits on the surface. And I remember Professor Oriem Hannington saying, Atkins, I think you could be having a disaster knocking on your district. And I said, Professor, what could be the problem? And he said, my research has found out that the water strips the copper deposits into the water bodies. And it's the same water body that is used as drinking water. Mr. Speaker, I think this is a disaster that it could cause an extinction of an entire community. As a matter of emergency.
Point of procedure.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the matter that Honorable Atkins is raising is a crucial health matter in Uganda, not just Kasese. I am rising on a matter of procedure, Mr. Speaker, requesting you whether it is not procedurally right that Mr. Atkins, Honorable Atkins, perhaps him or the minister brings us a paper here in the House so that it is debated, articulated, so that we have a clear message to the people of Uganda. Because the English that is trying to put this matter here is confusing a number of us and making us miss a very serious issue that is affecting very many people, even in the countryside. I am straining myself to understand him, and yet he's saying a very serious issue. And Mr. Speaker, next time Mr. Atkins is supposed to present, he needs to speak the common English of Uganda. We are tired of this, Or he gives us a paper and we follow word by word because the English is too much. We are just from campaign.
So, Honorable...
Is it not procedurally right that he comes with a paper? Because this...
Honorable Pachuto... so, Honorable Pachuto...
Allow me to congratulate you too for having gone unopposed. I am working very hard to come back so that I be the one to nominate you for the next position. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable. Now, because you brought two things, and I want to know what is the problem. The problem, the English, or how complicated the matter is? Or both? So, Honorable Watkins, now you're raising a very critical matter that needs a structured answer. The matters we usually handle here as matters of national importance are matters which are very urgent, and this is an urgent matter, but where an off-cuff answer can be conclusive and helpful. I don't think even the Minister of Health could give a conclusive answer in regard to this matter. So, I wanted to guide that you write a comprehensive question to the Prime Minister, or even the Minister, because it's provided for under our rules of procedure, so that they can respond here, okay, in writing, after consulting the technical people and necessary government agencies. I don't know if that would be satisfactory, Honorable Atkins.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I really appreciate your leadership. Mr. Speaker, sir, like from the very start.
I hope, Honorable Pachuto, you're picking this.
I did indicate, Mr. Speaker, that our government chief whip was kind enough. He put it into writing, and I found the letter right in my pigeonhole, and I'm just struggling to understand why the minister, even after getting a directive or request from the chief government whip, has never made it to community in Kasese. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's overwhelming us as a community. Every expectant mother either losing life or a child. This is something they can't wait, Mr. Speaker. So I respectively ask you, Mr. Speaker, the doctor is here, Honorable Waryomusi, that this could be a fast track, Mr. Speaker.
Can I request you that put it down, and next week I will require the minister to come and give a comprehensive statement on the same. But Honorable Waryomusi, for now, you can give him to getting answer, which we can be moving on for now. I don't know if you picked the English.
Much obliged, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Right Honorable Speaker, I thank the Honorable Katshabe for the issue. In the medical language, something which causes cancer is called carcinogenic, and his accent seems carcinogenic. Like Honorable Pastor was saying.
So Honorable, you want to say his accent causes cancer?
That was on a lighter note. No, I thank him for the concern he has raised. The problem of cancer is real in Uganda and other developing countries, where cancer is on the rise for various reasons which we may not go into. However, the recent studies I have read done by Makerere University do not indicate that Kasese has the highest prevalence or incidence of cancer, although there is a challenge of cancer like any other place. I think the central region, the parts of the north, post higher prevalences than Kasese. And also, there is no scientific consensus that links copper, exposure to copper, to cancer. But the Minister of Health can come and give a detailed paper. And I just wanted to add that, yes, true, when you go to the Uganda Cancer Institute, It is congested with cases of cancer, but the government, like we have explained earlier on,
Procedure?
Mr. Speaker, sir, Dr. Baryomusi is just like me, is a scholar, a philosopher, and a thinker. Now, for anything to be believable, you'll agree with me that there must be research undertaken. And the research finding published in a high-impact, peer-reviewed international journals. In my presentation, I did indicate that Professor Oriam Hannington undertook research, and there is a paper to that effect.
It seems we have something a member believes is not orderly in the House. But Honorable, you know, you don't access a microphone before. But please raise your point of order.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, a few minutes ago, Honorable Atkins submitted on this floor that 80% of patients, cancer patients in Mulago, are from Kasese. And just a while ago, he said Honorable Baryomusi, who is a scholar like him and a philosopher, he knows that for anything to be believed, there must be research. Says Honorable Atkins in order to submit on the same floor the 80% which is not researched. Is he in order?
Thank you. Honorable colleagues, I listened to Honorable Atkins properly. He said from his assessment. Okay? Because you see, the Hansard is a critical document which can be used by researchers, Obara and all that. So now, when he says from his assessment, now me, I can't question someone's assessment because, you get it? Yeah, that is his personal, okay? Is from his assessment. If he had referred it to a certain research paper and all that, it would be different. But he referred to himself as a philosopher, and then he got another philosopher in Baryomusi Honorable, and they are disagreeing totally. So I would think these are personal assessments. Yes, so conclude your procedure point, Honorable Atkins. And then we move.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. You are the best in the world. All right. My procedure issue is simple. Is my honorable brother, Minister, Dr. Baryomusi, procedural right to challenge something that has been, researched and published, even in high-impact international peer-reviewed journals? Is it in order, Mr. Minister? But through you, Mr. Speaker, appreciate it.
Now, it becomes difficult for me to know whether he has not procedurally moved in the right way when you have not referred to the journal or research paper, exact journal or research paper. So, but here it's not a matter of who is right, who is wrong. I think you're all making critical contributions. So let's conclude this matter. Moreover, we are waiting for a statement next week.
Yes, I will confer with Honorable Katsave to avail me the copy of the publication. But I know he has raised a similar issue in Kasese in my presence at a function of cancer. And I called Professor Yemu you are quoting. And he confirmed what I'm saying, that while I don't deny that there is a challenge of cancer in Kasese, but Kasese doesn't post the highest prevalence in the country. But I can look at the publication, and then we see how to handle it. But lastly, Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to say...
he didn't talk about the country. He said those at Cancer Institute. You see, he's very cautious. So maybe other cases don't come to Cancer Institute.
So I want to believe that the Honorable Katsave is just making a naked eye assessment. I don't think there is a technical publication that actually supports what you are saying. But if there is any publication, we could share and look at it. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, the government is
Honourable
alive.
Minister, you have your fellow doctors, then maybe want to contribute, Dr. Musa Noah and Dr. Boka Didi.
Yeah, thank you very much, Honorable Minister, for giving way. The only research that has been done so far on in Uganda in assessing regional cancer spectrum by Uganda Cancer Institute was done between 2017 and 2020, done by Dr. Jackson Orem and the colleagues. And actually in that paper, it put Kampala, Kabale, Iganga, and Gulu as districts with the higher cancer rates in the country. Thank you.
Thank you. I thought scientists, you don't disagree. It's
So
us
at
of
least
humanities.
he's confirming what I had said earlier on. But lastly, Mr. Speaker, just as information that true when you go to the Uganda Cancer Institute, it's quite baffling because at the moment most cases from up country come to the Cancer Institute. But the government is constructing regional cancer institutes. In Guru, I think Guru is complete, Mbale, Mbarara, and Jinja. And I think we have discussed this before. And the Minister of Finance should be having some requests we will be tabling.
On Tuesday, we passed that
Yeah,
funding.
we passed on Tuesday. So we are opening those regional centers to manage cancer in the country. But also the Mulago Cancer Institute, we passed resources some time back to upgrade it to a regional center of excellence where there are many oncologists who are being trained, cancer experts. And many have been sent out to upgrade and specialize, and they will be managing those cancer institutes in the regions. I thank you very much.
Thank you, Corey.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.